This is the Disaster Datsun Z, and this is the full Sill panel that we made in the last episode. In this episode, we're hopefully going to weld this big panel in and hopefully going to start fabricating that bottom corner. So let's grab some tools and let's crack on. Right, so in the previous episode, we actually made this full Sill panel, link in the description. Now, I do need to finish a little bit of welding on this inner section. I've got a couple of holes to drill on the inner section on the back side as well, and I need to extend this section towards the front. Once that's done, I can then tack this in place, and then I can fit the door and make sure the door fits and just make sure all these gaps are correct. Right, so the situation is I've managed to mock this panel up and this wheel arch replacement panel as well. This allows me to see exactly where things need to go. But what I do need to do now is I want to tack this on, and then I can test fit this door, make sure the door fits, make sure the gaps are all nice, adjust it where needed, and then I can actually get this welded finally in place. This door has not been on for a very long time. So this gap here, it's not perfect. It's not perfect by any standard, but I'm pretty happy how this has turned out. Now it fits really well here, but it just seems to come out on this edge here. However, this door is not brilliant to this quarter. Now, it doesn't fit up here, it doesn't fit here, and it also doesn't fit down here. This door is the wrong shape. So I think either the rear quarter or the door has had some work before. Now, this door does have a little bit of movement, which actually, if you pull the door out, it does fit a lot better, but then it doesn't quite fit to the quarter panel. So what I do want to do is I want to get the other door on the other side just to see how that fits, because I've not done the sill on the other side because the sill was in decent condition. So I can put the other door on the other side and see exactly what gaps I'm trying to achieve, and then take it from there. Right, quick gap update. Not great, to be honest. So I've tightened the 3 bolts, and this has a bit of a lip on it here, and it doesn't actually sit flush with the lower sill. Now, I've not actually done anything with this door, and I've only cleaned this sill up and primed it, so this should theoretically match up, but it doesn't. I think probably these doors have been done before, which is why they don't actually match up with the sill.